In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get paid on Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to show you how to get paid. And of course, if you want to do that, you will have to set up your account. Let's just click on our account at the top right corner, then click at sell up your art or sell your art. And here on the dashboard, as you can see, you'll have to complete these 3 steps. Each of one comes with its own steps. So make sure to complete this: create product, set up a shop, and get paid. And then set as many designs as you can. Of course, make sure to have a good designs so you can attract people. You can put a great title that is interesting and attracting. You can use your socials even to promote your designs, and you will get paid once you finish these 3 steps and start publishing your designs on products. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.